Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck, and in this video I will talk about some Play Store rewards. And in this series I am uploading videos related to this Play Store rewards, and I think you guys are interested in these rewards. Okay, so let me continue. Okay, so here you can see the reward is available, and to watch the reward you have to go to the account and then you have to go to the reward section, and here you can see the reward is available. Okay, and the reward is, just tap here and it will direct me to the page. Okay, here you can see congrats on your rupees 40 credit. Okay, valid for a 40 credit against any app, game or in-app item. Okay, so and the terms and condition is simple. The app or game will be above 40 rupees. Okay, so and it will expire, here you can see 28/7/2020. Okay, so if I just back here and try to use the reward, okay, let me just show you how to use the reward. Okay, and just go to top paid and just let's try to buy something. Okay, over 40 rupees. Okay, let's try to buy this GTA, and here you can see it is showing 121 rupees, and here you can see 40 credit toward an app or game over 40. Okay, so let's just try to buy this, and here you can see for 81 I have to pay only 81, and rupees 40 credit from Google, original price 121. So if I buy this game now I have to pay only 81. Okay, so I have my reward and it will cut my price 40 rupees. Okay, so the offer I can use and I will get 40 discount. Okay, so if this reward is available in your account, you can use this to buy games or apps and different things. And if this offer is available in your account, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, put a like, and if you are interested in this topic, please let me know in the comment section, and I will upload this kind of videos more. Okay, and I will see you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.